McCann FitzGerald's series of summary briefings is intended specifically for in-house counsel and others whose work involves advising on or applying Irish law. Each video provides a summarised refresher on some fundamental legal rules, updates on new developments and practical guidance on the application of relevant Irish law, with a focus on the issues that we see arising most frequently in day-to-day practice.
Directors are increasingly aware that they're responsible for not only their compliance with law in how they perform their duties, but also for their company's compliance. We can see this in recent developments in company law and in regulated sectors such as financial services. Directors need to know the legal obligations to which the company is subject and the relative risk that exists of any breach. What's the chance of this going wrong, and how bad would things be if it does? Compliance will be a standing agenda item for the board of a well-managed company. It also will have in place control processes to minimise the risk of material breaches. These measures may include the so-called 3 lines of defence. First, well-trained personnel at the coalface who manage risk appropriately. Second, risk management and compliance functions to challenge the business units. And third, the internal auditor. Together, these 3 lines of defence provide a robust approach to risk management. The buck stops with the board. Directors have long been obliged to ensure that their company complies with the Companies Act, but now many companies must also prepare compliance statements. Those companies must put in place appropriate arrangements that are designed to secure the company's material compliance with its relevant obligations, including company law and tax law. And while people will be familiar with whistleblowing protections, there also are many whistleblowing obligations, which require a director, and indeed others, to report suspicions of breaches of certain laws. The key message is reassuring. Certainly, there's increased focus on compliance, and of course directors need to respond. However, well-run companies and well-advised directors have nothing to fear.